Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Koko Hedon is here, and now I will review a new bag from Louis Vuitton. This bag is not really a brand new bag because this bag already released in 2018, but the design is cool and you can use it in 5 different ways. Wow, that's really cool, right? So I will review this bag, but before, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. So check this one out. Frankly, I already owned this bag since several months ago, but I cannot find it in my country, and in January 2021, it just arrived a new one in Louis Vuitton Plaza Senayan. As usual, this bag comes with orange magnetic box, orange envelope as a receipt, and the South Beach color of the dust bag, and this is it, the Bumbag Explorer by Louis Vuitton. This bag categorized as a medium bag with 28 cm length, 18 cm height, and 5 cm width. The exclusive crossbody shape makes the Explorer Bumbag an ideal urban companion. Belongings stay organized and secure in this light, supple hybrid bag crafted of masculine monogram Eclipse canvas, designed for hands-free or on-trend clutch carry. On the back side of the bag, you will see the foldable strap, and on the top of the bag, there's black leather handle for a clutch carry. This bag crafted with full of Eclipse Monogram that makes this bag even cooler than Tiger Armor collection. Now I will show you a closer look for this bag. In the front of the bag you can spot Louis Vuitton letter on cowhide leather in triangle shape. I think we have to be careful not to scratch or rub this product against abrasive surfaces. However, the coated canvas is really durable. That's the reason why I chose this bag. Another reason that makes this bag even more functional, it has double zipper. You can open or close the zipper in which direction you want. The handle on the top has a really nice grip on my hand. The anchor on its opposite side has perfectly made this bag a clutch carry. The back side of this bag also covered with monogram canvas and the foldable strap, which can be put on the edge of the bag. The silver color metal hardware are perfectly matched with the color of the canvas, and the foldable strap also has zipper for the strap. Now I will give you a closer look of the details in every angle of this bag. People are big fan of this bag. It will be sold out in any days after they comes in store, because you can wear this bag in 5 different ways. The first one, you will use it as a carry-on clutch, but inside the foldable hand there's a strap that will help you to use it as a belt bag or even a sling. The hardware manufactured as unattachable when you need this bag to be hands-free. First thing, you have to remove the foldable canvas from the bag. In order to attach the textile strap to the hardware, it's easy and really strong, you don't have to worry about that. And the opposite side of the strap you have to attach to the leather on the back side of the bag. Now the bag already transformed into a belt bag. Furthermore, there's another hole on the top of the bag. You can attach the strap on the side and it will be a sling bag. The interior of the bag is fully crafted with black textile lining. The opening of the bag is really wide. Inside it, you will have a large flat pocket with double flat pocket for your cards, money or other flat things, and this is the labels and barcode from the bag. Finally, I will show you what can fit in this bag. First, I will have my card holder in the flat pocket, and then I will bring my little pouch for the sanitary. For the vlogging purpose, I always bring my Theta and DJI small pocket in my bag. I never forget my wallet, also in Eclipse Monogram, my hand sanitizer, my 11 Pro Max iPhone, and power bank in case I need it. So that's it. And it's still a lot of space. Wow, amazing. This bag is really useful. So this is the bag, the Bumbag Explorer. This is the first way that you can use as a pouch. You can bring whatever you want in this bag. I think the size is really big because the opening is really wide and I can put my camera and other things in here. If you look at the back of this bag, you can unplug this. That's it. And they have zipper in here for the strap. Wow. The second way, you can use it as a belt bag actually. Like this. This is the second one. And the third one, you can unplug again because they have the second adjustment in here. Like this. So this is the third way, you can put it as a sling, or the fourth way, you can adjust, make it a long strap. Now this is the fourth style that you can use, and the last thing, you can put in the front of your body like this. So this is cool, right? This bag is really amazing. I think this is a really worth bag from Louis Vuitton. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe the channel. See you again in the next video. Goodbye.